Here are some top healthy dinner recipes that are ideal for weight loss. These meals are nutrient-dense, satisfying, and low in calories. 1. Grilled chicken with steamed vegetables. Ingredients. 1 chicken breast, skinless. 2. 1 cup broccoli. 3. 1 cup carrots. 4. 1 cup zucchini. 5. Olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon juice. Instructions. 1. Season the chicken with olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Grill until cooked through, about 6-8 minutes per side. 3. Steam the vegetables until tender. 4. Drizzle with lemon juice and serve. 2. Baked salmon with asparagus. Ingredients. 1. 4 ounces salmon fillet. 2. 1 bunch asparagus. 3. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. 4. Lemon slices. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Place salmon and asparagus on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. 3. Bake for 15-20 minutes or until salmon is cooked through. 4. Garnish with lemon slices. 3. Zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs. Ingredients. 1. 2 medium zucchinis, spiralized. 2. 1 pound ground turkey. 3. 1 egg. 4. 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, optional. 5. Marinara sauce, low sugar. Instructions. 1. Mix ground turkey with egg, breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Form into meatballs. 2. Cook meatballs in a non-stick skillet until browned and fully cooked. 3. Heat zucchini noodles briefly in the same skillet. 4. Serve noodles with marinara sauce and meatballs. 4. Quinoa salad with grilled shrimp. Ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 2. 6-8 shrimp, peeled and deveined. 3. 1 cup spinach or kale. 4. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado. 5. Olive oil, lemon juice, and balsamic vinegar. Instructions. 1. Grill shrimp until pink, 2-3 minutes per side. 2. Toss quinoa, spinach, tomatoes, cucumber, and avocado in a bowl. 3. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, and balsamic vinegar. 4. Top with grilled shrimp. 5. Cauliflower fried rice. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups cauliflower rice. 2. 1/2 cup peas and carrots. 3. 1 egg. 4. Soy sauce, low sodium. 5. Sesame oil. Instructions. 1. Heat sesame oil in a skillet and add cauliflower rice, peas, and carrots. 2. Push rice to the side and scramble the egg in the skillet. 3. Mix everything together and add soy sauce to taste. 4. Cook for another 2-3 minutes and serve. 6. Stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients. 1. 2 bell peppers, halved and deseeded. 2. 1/2 cup cooked brown rice or quinoa. 3. 1/2 cup ground turkey or black beans. 4. Tomato sauce and shredded low-fat cheese, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix cooked rice, turkey, and a small amount of tomato sauce. 3. Stuff the mixture into bell peppers and top with cheese if desired. 4. Bake for 20-25 minutes. Let me know which one catches your eye, or if you'd like a specific type of dish.